Hey everybody, it's Eric from DemoDays.com, and today we're at the last day of the 2019 PGA Show here at the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando, Florida. It's been a really great show, and we've been really happy to come to it this year to find out exactly what this show offers the golf industry compared to the other industries out there. And I got to say that the PGA Show really pulls it off here and provides a really great experience, whether you're a retailer or an exhibitor coming here to exhibit your brands and products. So with the amount of exhibitors here, there's almost 1,000. They estimated at least 40,000 retailers were going to be coming through and golf professionals. This show is one of the biggest ones in the country, and I would say probably the only other thing that compares to it would be CES as far as size and scale. We're talking with some of the brands, their purpose when they are coming here to a PGA Show is to provide an experience for their customers, and they do that by setting up these humongous booths and putting tons of lights and just making it super fancy. And just putting in things like putting greens and little demo areas to try their gear right out while you're inside the booth. So it's a really cool place to come if you're in the golf world and you're a golf retailer or a golf course owner. The cool thing about this trade show is that the way that they have it set up for their exhibitors to be properly displayed along with other relevant products, and this helps the retailers get through the show in a very orderly fashion. They can start inside of the clothing area, or they can start in the hard good area where there's mostly the golf clubs and the equipment, and then you'll find the different sections within those areas for different things like accessories and women's specific products, grips, clothing, shoes. When you're talking about the golf world, there's tons of equipment and gear out there, and there's always something new coming out every year to help you improve your game, improve your fitness, or something like that. And to really keep track of it all on the internet would be a full-time job. And so what we're trying to do here at Demo Days is we come to these shows and we talk to these brands and try to figure out exactly what they do for events, demos, exhibiting at trade shows and local expos, so that we can get you that information and schedule, and then you can go and see them locally and decide for yourself. These brands are doing these events and demos for a reason. It's because they know the power of getting in front of the consumer to sell their product and to be face-to-face talking about exactly why you should buy their product. And so that's one of the most positive things that you'll see here at the PGA Show is the amount of conversation happening, the amount of ordering happening, and just lots of retailers who are happy to come here, talk to these brands, see these products in person. They experience the demo day on the first day outside. They even have one side of this trade show the end of the building is completely devoted to an indoor demo area where people can hit indoor golf balls and demo all types of products here at the actual indoor show. Allowing retailers to demo products while on the show floor really provides a value to attending the PGA Show, and so we were really happy to see them have this area set up, and a lot of the brands were taking advantage of it. We talked to a lot of the brands this week about the demos that they're going to be offering, and so not everybody offers demos, but a handful of the brands do. And so what we're going to be working on the next few months is compiling that data and getting that information up on the website, so that whether you're interested in golf gear as far as golf clubs or shoes or maybe some new gloves, you never know what you might be interested in. And a lot of these brands are at different competitions, golf competitions throughout the year, and so they have their 10x10 set up and products set up, and they're waiting for you to come talk to them so that they can tell you why you should buy their product. So while we were here at the show this week, we were able to talk to a handful of the major golf brands, and we're going to be bringing you their demo schedules and event schedules very soon on DemoDays.com, so definitely stay tuned for that. All you got to do is go to DemoDays.com/golf, and you'll find all the brands in the golf world and be able to check out their profiles, see their product pages, and especially find their demo schedule. So thanks again for watching DemoDays.com. Stay tuned for next week. We'll be at the Outdoor Retailer Show in Denver, Colorado, where we'll be talking to all the brands to figure out when they'll be having ski and snowboard demos at your local resort. Thanks again for watching DemoDays.com.